We all want stellar careers. We all look for that coveted promotion, that hike, that great appraisal. And above all, we all look for an engaged and fulfilled career. But when you look around, you see only a few of us are actually doing it consistently. For the rest of us who still have that competency, that skill, there seems to be something off, that they miss the mark, that they're not able to create that impression, get that promotion, get that career in fulfillment that they're looking for. Come, join my Resonance program. This program is a very unique program and it will help you to find out the complete corporate journey and how it unfolds across different levels. It will also teach you that secret sauce that makes the achievers the real achievers. And that's not all. In this session, you will also get your hands on evaluating yourself on those parameters and see for yourself where you stand. So why wait? Click on the link below, register yourself for the workshop and experience the difference.